Hello students, NCERT Solutions Class 11 Physics, Chapter number 3, Motion in a Straight Line. Question number 9. Two towns A and B are connected by a regular bus service with a bus leaving in either direction every 10 minutes. A man cycling with a speed of 20 km per hour in the direction A to B notices that a bus goes past him every 18 minutes in the direction of his motion and every 6 minutes in the opposite direction. What is the period T of the bus service and with what speed assumed constant do the buses ply on the road? In this question given that two towns A and B, let here town A and this town B, and the cyclist is going from A to B here, right, and let इस क्वेश्चन में हमें कैलकुलेट करना है विद व्हाट स्पीड डू द बसेस प्लाई ऑन द रोड. And also this T also to be calculated. Let speed of bus is equal to V kilometer per second, V kilometer per hour, right? And the speed of cyclist is equal to Vc, suppose denoted by Vc, and this is given 20 kilometer per hour. Now we can find out the relative velocity of bus from A to B with respect to cyclist, A to B with respect to cyclist is equal to, this is VBC means VV minus VC, and this is the velocity of bus which is V, and this velocity of cyclist is 20, so this is V minus 20 kilometer per hour. Now similarly relative velocity of bus from B to A with respect to cyclist, that is VBC is equal to VV minus VC, and this is equal to V plus 20. पहले हमने रिलेटिव वेलोसिटी कैलकुलेट की बस की विच इज गोइंग फ्रॉम ए टू बी. तो हेयर साइकिलिस्ट और बस दोनों एक ही डायरेक्शन में, देयरफॉर रिलेटिव वेलोसिटी इज दिस. सेकंड केस में रिलेटिव वेलोसिटी ऑफ बस विद रेस्पेक्ट टू साइकिलिस्ट, कौन सी बस, विच इज गोइंग फ्रॉम बी टू ए. तो यहां पर दोनों की मोशन अपोजिट, देयरफॉर रिलेटिव वेलोसिटी इज दिस. नाउ the distance covered by the bus in time t minutes is equal to speed into time. And now according to question, the time taken 18 minutes and the time is distance upon speed. This distance Vt and speed is, in first case relative velocity is V minus 20 and this should be equal to 18. Here in this question given that man cycling with the speed of 20 km in the direction A to B notices that a bus goes past him every 18 minutes. So distance upon speed is time is equal to 18 minutes. Number 1. And similarly every 6 minutes in the opposite direction. Therefore this is Vt upon opposite direction के लिए relative velocity this is equal to 16 minutes. Equation number 2. Now on dividing equation 1 by 2, then this is how much? This V plus 20 upon this is V minus 20 is equal to this 18 upon 6 is equal to 3, or on cross multiply this is equal to 3V minus 60 is equal to V plus 20, or this is 2V. This is equal to 2V. V is here and this is 80. Therefore V is equal to 40 किलोमीटर पर आवर. दिस इज फर्स्ट आंसर. नाउ हमें t कैलकुलेट करना है, तो फ्रॉम फर्स्ट इक्वेशन तो दिस इज v इज इक्वल टू 40 हेयर एंड टाइम t कैलकुलेट करना है. हेयर दिस v अगेन 40 माइनस 20 इज इक्वल टू दिस 18 एंड दिस इज इक्वल टू this is 40 into t upon this 20 and this is 2 here and this 18. Therefore t is equal to 18 upon 2 and this t is equal to 9 minutes. So this is the answer of this problem. हमने यहाँ पर केवल relative velocity कैलकुलेट की in the first case from A to B with respect to cyclist, और second case में B to A with respect to cyclist. And now here this distance upon velocity is time and time is 18 in the first case, and this Vt upon speed is equal to this time again 6 minutes in the second case. दोनों को डिवाइड किया. On solving this V is equal to 40 km per hour and again from equation 1 velocity V की वैल्यू पुट करते हैं. Then on solving this t is equal to 9 minutes. Thank you.